This is Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. So first step obviously is to launch the camera, then scroll the list of available camera modes to the right, or to the left rather. Then once the more section is launched, simply tap at the pro mode. And now as you can see, unlike the regular picture or photo mode, in here you can manually change the value for such parameters as ISO, shutter speed, exposure, manually set the focus that you would like to have, and value for the white balance. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.